Namaste. Welcome back to 22EDITSZ Official CHITRADEEP, your cinematic taste destination. Today, we are diving into the heart of Bengal with a recipe that's royal, rustic, and fiery, traditional chicken kosha. No cream, no butter, yet this curry is richer than anything you've tasted. You won't just cook today, you'll time travel to the streets of Kolkata and into my kitchen. Hit that like button, share with your foodie squad, and don't forget to subscribe for more cinematic flavors every week. Here's what you'll need. 1 kilogram Desi chicken with bones for that flavor bomb. 4 onions thinly sliced. 2 tomatoes. Mustard oil, a must. Ginger garlic paste, homemade if possible. Green chilies, spices, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, clove, cumin, coriander, turmeric, red chili powder. Garam masala, Bengali style. Curd instead of cream, trust the tradition. Salt and sugar to balance it all. My tip, use mustard oil only when it starts smoking, that's when it becomes magical. Let's marinate the chicken. Add curd, turmeric, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Massage it well and let it rest for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to make brown onions Bengali style. They aren't just fried, they're slow loved. Time to kosha, which means slow roasting. We heat mustard oil, add bay leaves, cardamom, clove, cinnamon, let the aroma rise. In go the onions, saute till deep brown. Add ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, green chilies, and then our masala mix. Cook this on medium flame till the oil separates. This is the heart of chicken kosha. Now the marinated chicken goes in. Keep stirring, slow cooking, no rush, no water. This step is called koshano. In Bengali, the longer you stir, the richer it gets. This is not just cooking, it's an emotion. Once done, let it rest covered for 15 to 20 minutes. In this time, the flavors settle and bloom. Look at this beauty. No cream, no butter, still it's thick, spicy and bold. Let's taste this royal Bengali chicken kosha. It's spicy, smoky, deep, just like Kolkata's soul. Tell me your favorite Bengali dish and I might cook it next. Like, share and subscribe to 22EDITSZ Official CHITRADEEP for cinematic food, raw stories and authentic spice. See you in the next flavor adventure. Till then, jal khaben, bhalo thakben.